In this video, we'll cover pro tips, as well as time-saving tricks to make preparation even easier. Start by pouring the milk into your mixing bowl and adding the pudding sachet afterwards. We recommend mixing with a hand whisk, and once well combined, switching to an electric beater. If the milk begins to foam, set aside to allow for the foam to subside, and then continue mixing for 2 minutes. Transfer to a bowl or serving cups and enjoy. For the ultimate results, cover the bowl and leave it in the fridge overnight. Gently blend the next day and pour into a dish of your choice. All that remains now is to prepare the toppings. Blueberries, crushed nuts, a blob of coconut cream, and a teaspoon of chocolate are all mouth-watering and healthy accompaniments. Time for your creativity to shine. Visit our recipe page for more fun and delicious recipes. The type of milk you use is very important. Our milk guide will assist you in choosing the best milk and milk alternatives that'll keep you inventing new dishes like a pro.